Welcome to Lightning State Arms. Guys, come on in. I want to show you a couple cool custom pieces that they got going on here. This place can make you a custom credit card or a custom business card. Pretty much anything that they can do with the lasers on these metal cards, they can engrave it. Now follow me this way. They got some real cool stuff going on. You got your custom Yeti cup. You can see it, Flats Mafia podcast. Now, the real intricate 360 design. I mean, come on. Anything you want to put on a Yeti cup, they do that here. Now come on back here to some of these other toys. These guys are fully customizing guns, anything you could possibly think of. They're now custom building guns. As you can see, we're having a lot of fun here, but let's go ahead and take it next door and see what else they got going on. Part 2 of Lightning State Customs. Anything you want to customize, they have it. From your boat, to your trucks, to your cars, golf carts, side-by-sides. They will customize it to whatever you want. From your audio to video, you name it, they can do it. Lightning State Customs. Check this thing out. Beam me up, Scotty. Oh my God, that shit is awesome. Lightning State Customs. I told you, they could customize anything. All right, we're going to Hooters.